In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Mailchimp account to your Squarespace website so that when people submits an inquiry form or signs up for your newsletter, they will get connected straight into your Mailchimp account and you can send them emails directly without having to do any kind of manual transfers or anything like that. So I've just created a demo page on my digital growth agency website, and what we're going to do just for the purpose of this video is add a newsletter block so I can show you exactly how to do this. So let's just make this a little bit bigger. And one thing that I always recommend with newsletter blocks, and especially connecting it to Mailchimp, is actually going in here and making them put in their first name. This is because when you do go ahead and send emails, you're going to be able to address them with their first name because you've got that data, and it just increases the chance of them opening and clicking on the emails a lot greater than if it was just to their standard email address. So what we've got here are the different options for our newsletter block. Just to be able to get to that, you just click on the newsletter block and click edit, and it's going to bring them up. And what we're going to want to be doing, you can obviously change all of this if you want, just exactly however you want to have it. It doesn't really matter for this video. But what we want to be doing is heading over to this storage tab over here. And by default, Squarespace, of course, will connect their email account system to your newsletter blocks and your inquiry forms and things like that. And we don't want this. So we're going to want to go head in here and actually go down and click disconnect on that to take that away. But we are going to want to connect Mailchimp, and where you're going to find that is actually in the other storage options. And then you're going to see Google Drive, Zapier, and then of course we're going to see Mailchimp. So we're going to want to go ahead and click connect. And then from here, we're going to want to put in our email address for our Mailchimp account. Let's see if I can remember mine. And then we're going to want to click login. This is then going to bring up the authorization page, which you can read if you want. And then you're going to want to go ahead and click allow. And then from here, this is going to bring up your Mailchimp account if it obviously successfully connects. And then you're going to want to select a list that you would have created in your Mailchimp account already. And in my case, I've created one called Digital Growth Club. And then basically for the purpose of this video, I'm going to turn off require double opt-in just so I can demo this all working for you without having to go into my emails. And then I'm going to click off that, go back again, and then I'm going to want to go ahead and save. And just for demo purposes, let's go ahead and just trial this all out. So let's pop in my first name and let's use my old email address and click sign up. And then if we go ahead and go to our Mailchimp account on our audience page, we should be able to refresh this. And as you can see, we've got our email address added to our list. We've got our first name, our last name. We've got the fact that we have subscribed to email marketing and the source says it's come from Squarespace. And basically from there, we have officially connected our Squarespace website to our Mailchimp account. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, drop it a like and I will see you in the next one.